Hi, it's Ali. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, I have another Halara try-on haul for you guys, and it's about back to school and everyday essentials. Some activewear skirts. You guys know I've been pretty active lately, which is quite surprising. I've been playing billiards, also table tennis, and golf. So it's really for everything. Plus, I like to go out a lot in my Halara pieces because they are so comfortable. Even though it's leaning towards the colder season now in the Philippines, it can still get pretty hot. So I got some skirts and I also got some new jeans. These are from the Flex Denim collection of Halara. You guys know how much I love them. I got these because of back to school season. So I'm definitely going to be leaning towards jeans a lot more, and not just any jeans. They have to be Halara Flex Denim jeans because you can do absolutely everything in them. That's what I love about Halara. It's about being confident and comfortable with any outfit that you wear. From styles to different fabrics, different colors, and their size range is inclusive and amazing, so you'll be sure to find your size and style in Halara. You can use the code Alicia015 or Alice15 to save 15% off on full price Halara items. All of the links will also be in the description box down below, including some information about the Halara Circle where you can exchange your feedback as a customer. Halara will listen and shape the products that you love, and these products will be for free, so you can definitely sign up. This is every month. Just check out more details in the description box down below. Starting off with this plain white Halara crop top. I've already worn this to the golf range. I love this. Usually I wouldn't wear a crop top to the golf range, but this one, because it is tight at the bottom, it doesn't ride up. So that's super important, especially when you're swinging and all. So I still wore this. That was a bit spunky anyway. It wasn't really planned that I was going to go to the range. But yeah, this was a really good top because it didn't ride up and the fabric is so breathable and nice. Look how stretchy that is. It has a cute logo at the back as well. Almost all of the Halara clothes have logos now, which I love. I have this in black and in pink also. This is so nice for layering and wearing it as is. Next up, we have this beautiful skirt. Look how stretchy this is. I don't know how many colors I have of this exact skirt already, but it's a lot. I have this, let me think right now. I have it in white, I have it in black, which I'm currently wearing right now actually. I have it in another pink color. This is more of a lilac-ish type of color. It's super pretty and light. I have it in 4 colors now, basically. I love the fit of it. I've worn these for badminton, for table tennis. They are amazing, really. It's one of my go-tos. They fit so well. They're high-waisted and they have this V-shaped design. So it's super flattering and it really cinches in the waist. Also has a cute logo here. And this also has pockets, as you can see. High-waisted, super stretchy and breathable, snatches in your waist, and it has 2 pockets. What more could a girl want from a skirt? The navy blue obsession continues. I got the viral Taylor Swift skirt in the color navy blue. I actually have this in black already. That's the color that Taylor Swift wore as well. But this one is so stunning. I've been so obsessed with this color, so that's why I had to get it. This is such a good mini skirt, and it is a sport, of course. It has built-in shorts and a pocket, and you can also adjust the buckle area for your thighs. It is so nice, so flattering. I love this. If you are getting a skirt from Halara, definitely get this one or this one. Honestly, any of the skirts, but like, if I had to pick my top 2, it would be this and this. I wear this a ton, especially the black version. If you're more into a chic look rather than an edgy look like this skirt, get this bodycon skirt. This is so beautiful. I got this in navy blue first and I got it in black so I can use it more. It's so flexible from activewear to business wear. I've worn this for both and let me tell you, it's so perfect. This is, of course, a skirt once again, so it has built-in shorts. There's no pockets though, that's just something to note, but I am totally okay with that, especially since it cinches in the waist so nice and hugs the hips so beautifully. These scrunch designs, these always fit my hips so well. I'm sure that it will flatter every body type because of the design. It has a logo at the back. But personally, when I wear it for business wear, I just wear something that's a bit longer so it will cover the logo if you want more of a laid-back style, because that's personally what I like. But for activewear, I don't really mind the logo at all. I've worn this so many times already. Highly, highly recommend, especially if you're someone who goes to the office or school. Next, I got this adorable baby blue tennis skirt. This is so cute. I've already worn this for golf. I've worn it with this white Halara top. I actually have this in white already, so I got a baby blue color because I feel like it's still pretty flexible without being too, like, out of my color palette. I love the design of this as well. It's definitely for tennis, but you can really wear it for anything. It has a logo at the back, at the top here. And of course, this is the inside. It's also a skirt, and it has pockets on both sides. So chic and so beautiful. Such a smart design. Definitely one of my top picks as well. Let me know which one of the skirts were your favorite. Comment pink, navy, black, or baby blue to let me know which one was your favorite. Honestly, I cannot decide for all of them. I love them all. If you want a skirt collection from Halara, these are my top 4. Next up, let's talk about the Flex Denim collection from Halara. You guys know how much I love this. I've posted about them in my YouTube channel and I've worn them literally for everything in my Instagram. If you follow me, you would have seen it. I've worn this cheer dancing. I've worn it for casual wear, for business wear. Look how stretchy that is and comfortable. It's so breathable and it fits so beautifully still because it has functional button and zip closures. They have so many styles of this as well. They even have skirts, skirts, and shorts in the Flex Denim collection. So if you don't want pants, they also have that. I've already worn this twice. I love this. It has functional belt holes that go all around, and they have 4 pockets. Functional, of course. It has 2 pockets at the back and 2 at the front. These are actually a new style. They're asymmetrical. They have 2 buttons for this. One in the middle and also one invisible button at the back. So it fits perfectly. By the way, if you don't like the light blue denim, they also have this in dark blue, gray, black, and white. They have so many different denim styles and washes. Next, we have the 4th color of these jeans that I have. I have this in light blue, dark blue, and I also have it in a grayish color because this is so perfect. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's also dress code friendly. This is good for school and for work. If you're in the office, this is so comfortable. Like, it's so nice. The tailoring looks like it's still jeans, but it's stretchy and comfortable. You can see it's so nice. If you sit on the desk for a while, you're gonna love these, I promise. It also has a functional button and zip closure. It's high-waisted. It has functional belt loop, so you can put a belt over it. It has 4 pockets in total, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. Absolutely love this. That's why I got it again. This is the cut at the bottom. It's more of a mom jean type of fit. Love these. Honestly, like, it speaks for itself. If you want it to be high-waisted or mid-waist, you can get it in your regular size. But if you want it to be a bit more low-waisted, you can definitely size up just one. Just make sure that you base on the website. The size chart is very accurate. Out of the 3 jeans that I've chosen, this is definitely the most flexible one. You can pair this with a t-shirt, a sweater, off-shoulder tops, crop tops, anything. So if you're looking for something that's very flexible, definitely get this style. Finally, we have this dark blue wash. This is the only one that doesn't have the button and zip closure, but it makes up for it with this amazing tummy control from the waistband. It's still stretchy and breathable, but it adds a lot more support. So if you want some more tummy control, this is a good choice. It has 2 pockets, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. I really love the fit of it. Also, these Halara logos are so chic and it makes your hips look so good as well. You could definitely wear this for work and uni as well because it's high-waist, so it's pretty appropriate for dress codes. This style gives me sort of a Bratz vibe, so I would definitely pair it with sneakers or platform for casual wear. By the way, if you're worried about the lengths, this is one of the most beautiful things about Halara. They are size inclusive and they have lengths for their pants and skirts as well. So they have a regular, a petite, and a tall version. For size reference, I usually get a size XS. Sometimes I size up, but I usually stick within a size XS. And I get a petite version for my pants. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Once again, you can use my code Alicia015 or Alice15 for 15% off on all full-price Halora items. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know which one was your favorite piece. These are all of my favorites from Halora, so I can't choose a favorite. If you want to see more style inspiration on how I would wear these, because I always wear Halora, I swear, check out my social media. It's Alice Roma for all of my social media accounts. Thank you so much again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!